Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So let's start with the first trick, so the magnification feature. Let's find and select the apps icon, choose settings, scroll down and select the accessibility. Let's scroll down again and choose magnification, and here you've got two options: magnifying with triple tap. Let me just choose it. Let's enable this feature, and now if you would like to magnify something, let's just triple tap on the screen. And now if you would like to change the position, let's use two fingers. That's it. To close this, let's triple tap again. Let's go back, and you can also use magnify with button. Let's enable this feature. Here you've got the accessibility button, and if you tap this button and choose some position of the screen, the device will magnify this area. So let's tap the accessibility button again to close this, and that's it. Alright, so now let's go next and let me show you the second trick. So the sweeping animation. Right here we are using the flat animation, but you can change it. Let's just hold down some part of the screen. Let's choose transitions, and here we've got all animation that you can use. For example, the flow animation, the convex, and one of my favorites, so the last one. This is the really cool animation. Let's tap apply, and as you can see, now your animation works. Alright, let's go next. And let me show you the Xperia Assist, really helpful tool. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down, and here you've got the Xperia Assist, or you can also use it from the gallery of apps, and by tapping the following Xperia Assist icon right here, you've got the access to this assist. So here you can use the chat or you can use tools, and here let's make sure that you've got Smart Cleaner enabled. This is the tool to optimize your storage and memory, the battery care right here, and from the following menu you can also enable the stamina mode right here. So you can use the stamina mode or ultra stamina mode and use your device for a longer time. So that's it. Let's go for the last, for the really quick trick. So for the opening the camera, from every screen of the device and from every app you can open the camera just by double tapping the power key. Let me show you. Just double tap the power key and you can open the camera. For example, from settings, double tap the power key and you just open the camera. Alright, and let me show you the last trick, the transfer files. So here let's use the home screen, tap apps icon, choose the settings, scroll down and choose the storage. Now choose transfer data to SD card, and as you can see, by using that tool you can transfer your data to your SD card. You can transfer photos, videos or music. For example, let me just choose music, tap transfer, and the device is transferring files. Alright, that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.